Hello everyone, myself Sneha Shah from LG Institute of Engineering and Technology from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today I will explain you some examples on skewness and kurtosis from the subject of probability and statistics. The first example is the first three moments of a distribution about the value 2 of the variable are 1, 16 and minus 40 show that mean is 3, variance is 15 and mu3 is minus 86. Also find the first three moments about a point 0. Now how we are solving this example? So starting with this, if we are considering these three terms 1, 16 and minus 40, this will be considered as mu1, mu2 and mu3, but it will be changed about a value of 2. So we will taking this three term as mu1 dash, mu2 dash and mu3 dash. So the value of mu1 dash equals to 1, mu2 dash equals to 16 and mu3 dash equals to minus 40. Now from this, first of all you have to show that the value of mean equals to 3. Now what is the value of mean? Mean means it will change from it is the average value of this, right? So if we are taking the mu1 dash means a change in the mean value, so it will gives you the answer as change. This one is mean value and change means deviation by a factor, so it will deviate by a factor of 2. So we will taking the value of a equals to 2 over here. So if we will taking the value of a equals to 2, then mu1 dash equals to 1. So from this we can find out the value of mean. So what is the value of mean? X bar equals to minus 2 goes over here. So 1 plus 2 equals to 3. So this term will representing as a mean value. So from this term we can say that the mean value equals to 3. Now the next term is you have to find the value of variance. Now how will finding the value of variance? Variance will be found by using this mu2 dash. Now what is the value of mu2? Mu2 equals to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square. Now what is the value of mu1 dash? Mu2 dash? Mu2 dash equals to 16 minus mu1 dash means 1. 1 square means 1. So 16 minus 1 means 15. So the value of mu2 equals to 15 and the value of mu2 is representing as variance. So the value of variance equals to 15. So from this we can say that variance equals to 15. Now similarly you have to find out the value of mu3 and you have to show that the value of mu3 equals to minus 86. So for this we have to take the equation like this. mu3 equals to mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash mu1 dash plus 2 mu1 dash whole cube. Now if we will put in all this value in this equation, then it will give you the answer equals to minus 86. The value of mu3 equals to minus 86. In this the value of mu3 dash equals to minus 40. This value equals to 16, mu2 equals to 16, mu1 dash equals to 1 and mu1 dash equals to 1. So if we will taking this part minus 40 minus 3 into 16 into 1 plus 2 into 1 cube. So if we will simplifying this term, it will give you the answer equals to minus 86. Now you have to find out the next term as you have to find out first three moments about point 0. About point 0 means what is the value of 0? It is considered as the value of a equals to 0. So starting with this, first of all we will start from the equation of x bar means mean value. The value of x bar equals to mu1 dash plus a. So from this if you want to find out mu1 dash, what is the value of mu1 dash? This a goes over here. So x bar minus a. X bar means mean value. As you know that the mean value equals to 3. So 3 minus 0 about 0. means the value of a equals to 0. So if we'll put in a equals to 0, 3 minus 0 means 3. So the value of mu1 dash equals to 3. This one is the first moment. Similarly, we will find out mu2 dash. What is mu2 dash? Mu2 dash equals to mu2 plus mu1 dash whole square. Value of mu2 equals to 15. Variance value equals to 15 plus mu1 dash equals to 3. So 3 square equals to 9. 15 plus 9 equals to 24. So this one is the second moment. So the value of second moment equals to mu2 dash. Similarly, if we will finding the next term as mu3 dash, the value of mu3 dash equals to mu3 plus 3 mu2 dash mu1 dash minus 2 mu1 dash whole cube. So what is the value of it? Mu3 equals to this minus 86 plus 3 into mu2 dash means 24 into this 3 minus 2 into 3 cube. And if we are simplifying this term, it will give you the answer equals to 76. So this one is the third moment, which is mu3 dash. So this way we can find out the first moment as 3, second moment as 24 and the third moment equals to 76. Now the next example is find the first 4 moments of the following data about the assumed mean 25 and actual mean. The below table is given to you like this. Class limit is given to 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. And the frequency of occurrence of this equals to 1, 3, 4 and 2. So to solve this example, we will start from, in this assume mean equals to 25. So let we are taking the value of a equals to 25. Now from this, if we are finding the difference d, the value of difference d equals to the input x minus the value of a divided by h. So the first h will consider as 0 to 10. So the value of it equals to 10. So the value of h equals to 10. A equals to 25. So this term will representing like x minus 25 upon 10. So from this we had find the value of difference d. Now from this we will draw the table for this. If I am drawing the table for this, then I will write like this. Class limit, it will representing like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 to 40. Now for this, I will first of all write down the value of frequency. The value of frequency equals to 1, 3, 4 and 2. Right. Next, if I am adding all this term, it will give us answer of summation of f. And the value of it equals to 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1 means 10. Now the next term is we have to find out mid value of x. Why we are finding? Because it will give in the terms of range, right? So if I am finding the middle value of the 0 to 10, in between 0 to 10, it will give you 5. For this one is 15, 25 and 35. So we had find the middle value of this. Now if we are finding the value of d, the value of d equals to x minus 25 upon 10, right? So if I am taking the value of x equals to 5 minus 25 means minus 5 minus 25 means minus 20 upon 10 means it will give you the answer as minus 2. Likewise we will finding all the other values. Now the next term you have to find out is f into d. So what is the value of f into d? F into d. So 1 into minus 2, minus 2, 1 into minus 1 into 3, minus 3, 0 into 4, 0, 2 into 1, 2. Now if I am adding all this term, it will gives us answer of summation f into d equals to minus 2 plus 2 cancel. So its answer equals to minus 3. Now if we are finding the value of f into d square, so it will give us answer f into d square. Square of this means minus 2 square equals to 4. 4 into 1 means 4. So 4, 3, 0, 2. So it will give you the answer like this. Similarly, if we will finding the value of f d cube, what is the value of f d cube? If before that we will finding summation of all these terms, so it will give us answer of summation of f d square equals to 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 9. Similarly, we will finding cube of this means minus 8 into 1 means it will give you answer of minus 8. Likewise, we will finding all the other terms, and if we are adding all this term, it will give us answer of summation f into d cube, and answer of it equals to minus 9. Now the last term we will finding f d raised to 4. So d raised to 4 minus 2 raised to 4, 16 into 1 means 16. Likewise, we will finding all the other values, so it will give you the answer like this. If I am adding all this term, it will give us answer of summation f d raised to 4, and its value equals to 21. Now from this, if we are finding the value of capital N number of samples, its answer equals to summation f, and summation f answer equals to 10. So the value of number of samples n equals to 10. So now from this all these values we will finding the values of moments about the assuming. So I will write down like that, moments about assume mean. So its value equals to mu1 dash equals to summation f into d upon summation f into h. So answer of this equals to summation f into d equals to minus 3, summation f equals to 10, and the value of h equals to, what is the value of h? We had taken the value of h equals to 10, right? So 10 cancel out, so answer of this equals to minus 3. Similarly, if we are finding the value of mu2 dash, its answer equals to summation f into d square upon summation f into h square. The value of this equals to 9 divided by 10 into 10 square. So value of this equals to 90. Similarly, if we are finding the value of mu3 dash, its value equals to summation f into d cube upon summation f into h cube. So value of it equals to minus 900. Similarly, we will finding mu4 dash equals to summation f d raised to 4 upon summation f h raised to 4. Its answer equals to 21000. Now we have to find out this, all the terms are with respect to assume mean, right? Now we have to find out moments about actual mean. So it is considered as actual mean means the difference will be 0. So the first moment equals to 0. So mu1 equals to 0. Now the value of mu2 equals to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. Now what is the value of mu2 dash? Mu2 dash equals to 90. So the value of it equals to 90 minus 0 square means, sorry, mu1 dash square. So value of mu1 dash means minus 3. So minus 3 square means 9. So 90 minus 9, it will gives you the answer as 81. Similarly, we will finding the next term as mu3, and the value of mu3 equals to mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash mu1 dash plus 2 mu1 dash whole cube. And if we will putting all this term, then after simplification its answer equals to minus 144. And the last term we will finding as mu4, value of mu4 equals to mu4 dash minus 4 mu3 dash mu1 dash plus 6 mu2 dash mu1 dash whole square minus 3 mu1 dash raised to 4. And if we are simplifying this, then the answer will be 14817. So this way we can find out the moments about the actual mean.